Here's how you can change the home screen layout and the home screen mode, which is either standard or with the app drawer. This is a OnePlus phone with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15. The fastest way to these home settings is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen until you get this right here. You'll see to the bottom section here, you'll see these options here. Go across to More. And as you enter here, this will take you to the main home screen settings. And once here now, you'll see home screen, the first one. This will allow you to choose between standard, which basically on standard, all the apps will appear on your home screen going across in multiple pages, depending on how many apps you have. However, if you want the swipe up option, go to withdraw here. And this will give you some more options such as add apps to home screen, suggest the apps, and also change the amount of columns that will appear in your drawer. So again, that's that. Then if you want the home screen layout, which is the grid layout right here, this will take you here. And you can choose how much more apps you will have appear on your home screen based on the changes that you make here. Okay, and be sure to press apply so that it can take effect. And that's basically it for this tutorial. Like and sub.